Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lao Farah Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 6 July from around the world. India's COVID-19 vaccine trial marks beginning of the end. Approval for human clinical trials for two made in India COVID-19 vaccine candidates Covaxin and Zycov-D marks the beginning of the end for a novel coronavirus pandemic that has infected over 1.12 crore people worldwide and left more than 5.3 lakh dead, the government said on Sunday. Striking an optimistic note, a letter by the Ministry of Science and Technology said there were more than 100 vaccine candidates in the world, currently of which 11 were in human trials. Maharashtra coronavirus live updates. Decision on reopening restaurants after fixing SOPs, says CM Thackeray. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray stated Sunday that a decision on reopening hotels and restaurants in Maharashtra will be taken soon after finalizing standard operating procedures. SOPs for reopening hotels and restaurants being finalized. Once that is done, a decision on reopening hotels and restaurants will be taken soon, the Chief Minister was quoted as saying by PTI. After Ladakh visit, PM Modi meets President Kovind, briefs on issues of national importance. 2 days after making an unannounced visit to Ladakh, where he addressed the troops at Nimu near Leh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday called on President Ram Nath Kovind at Rashtrapati Bhavan and briefed him on issues of national and international importance. The development comes after PM Modi, during his trip to Leh, spoke with soldiers injured during the violent face-off with Chinese troops last month, as well as the army leadership, and paid tributes to the slain soldiers at the Hall of Fame Army Museum. Trump's Independence Day speech, a pledge to defeat radical left, blames China for COVID spread. During his Independence Day speech address at the White House Saturday, US President Donald Trump launched yet another scathing attack against anti-racism protesters across the country and pledged to overthrow the radical left. Our country is in great shape, Trump told an audience of soldiers and frontline workers gathered at the White House for its 4th of July Salute to America event. Despite warnings from public health authorities urging Americans to avoid gatherings due to the COVID-19 pandemic, hundreds thronged Washington D.C.'s National Mall near the White House to witness a military flyover and massive fireworks displays at the event. COVID-19: How public transport systems are resuming in countries post-lockdown. As countries come out of months-long lockdown and gradually revive their public transport systems, the challenge is to gain the public's confidence in mass transport modes while maintaining social distancing. Public transport in several European countries like the UK and Spain have resumed in full throttle, with face coverings being made mandatory for people traveling on trains, buses, commuter ferries, and as well as the London Underground. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.